It's a paper print. Shit paper, but I want to live with this angel. Maybe. Do I want to live with you? To make up my mind. What should I do with you? But you look a lot better. Then the alternatives. Smash. Oh yeah. The Renaissance. Renaissance. The tyranny of grace over the German-speaking peoples. And here we have the ley lines. Incredible. Is this indeed everything that remained? Oh. The final piles of stuff. Anyway. There should be an abstract painting, light colors, sfumato. You want to see the brush stroke, you want to experience the energy the artist put into this artwork, and this should be on this wall. Whereas here I would like to make use of the features this one comes with. I want to integrate the mirror. Some symmetry, yeah. A butterfly, yeah. A heart, yeah. Too cheesy. All too cheesy, but something along these lines. But I'm not there yet. I'm not there yet, I'm afraid. But what is important? A drawing, a painting, and a sculpture. I could even do without photography. But these are the three things that we should find in every decent home. Right, a kitchen roll. Whoops. Disgusting. Did I buy kitchen rolls? Did I buy kitchen rolls? That's the $1 million question. Well, if they are anywhere, they would be here. And they are gone. Yeah. which to which there's only one solution.